Just finished yoga. Let me ask you a very important question. What do you want most right now? What do you want most right now? What are your dreams and desires? Is it a better relationship? Is it having better finances? Is it getting more breakthroughs in your career? Or is it like you want to find your purpose? Put it down in the comments, feel free, because when you type it down, you're giving yourself an affirmation, and it's also sending out a message to the universe, the higher being, of what you want to achieve right now. It's important to be really clear about what you want most right now, because in today's practice, it is all about helping you to achieve those goals. Now, if you've been following through the magic practices so far, you should have built quite an amazing foundation of practicing gratitude for almost a lot of things, almost everything, right? If you don't think your foundation is quite there yet, it's okay. Just head back to the first video or any video that you've missed and you can start from there. Remember, practicing gratitude is not supposed to be a competition or something that you just check off your box. It's supposed to be a way of your life. It's part of your mental being, and that's why over these 28 days, which is a very long period, it's more than 3 weeks actually, it's supposed to be practiced over and over and over again so that it gets locked into your subconscious and becomes a way of life. So today on day 13, we're going to practice making all of your wishes come true. This practice is a really powerful one. It's an actual technique that can be used over and over again whenever you are scripting out or writing down your goals. For those who aren't familiar, scripting is a writing process where you write down your dreams and aspirations as if they have already happened. Get yourself a pen and a paper, or you can just take your computer out and type it. The first thing we're going to do for today's practice is to get clear about your goals. Take out your pen and paper or computer and list down right now what you really want to achieve in your life. It could be anything from the different areas in your life, and if you're not sure where to begin, I would recommend going by these 4 areas, which are relationship, health, career, and purpose. So in this area, select up to 10 things that you really want to achieve the most. These 10 desires can be from any of these 4 areas of your life, or you can just pick one area you want to focus on. The important thing is to be clear and specific about what you want, because clarity is power. You want to be clear on your goals, because the clearer your goals is, the clearer your intention is, and the clearer you're able to visualize your goals and your desires. And because of that, the more likely it's going to happen and the faster it's going to happen as well. Once you've thought about your top 10 desires, write them down on a piece of paper and write it in a way as if you have already received them. This is the key. The reason why you need to write it in a way as if you've already received them is because in the law of attraction, like attracts like. What does this mean? In order to attract what you desire, you have to feel as though it's already yours, in the exact same way how you would feel when you got what you wanted. You have to think about your desires as if you've already achieved it, as if it's already been done. If you're having some trouble feeling the future, the easiest way is to be grateful for what you want. Maybe you're thinking, what? Gratitude again? But let me tell you something. Gratitude is something you must have before you can receive. Gratitude is not something that you simply do after something good has happened. We always say, have an attitude of gratitude, because the problem what most people do is they are grateful after they receive something good. But to truly get what you desire and want to change your life with, you must be grateful before and after. By being grateful for receiving your desires beforehand, you would have formed an image in your mind, and that would have generated a feeling. And if you continue to hold on to that image and that feeling, soon enough, you will know how, and it's not your job to figure it out, but you will receive it. This comes on to what we need to know, which is trust and surrender. You must trust and know that when you're grateful for what you want will magically come to you. So after you've written your 10 things down, in front of the 10 things that you write, say thank you 3 times. Yes, 3 times. For example, thank you for this unexpected amount of money that I've received, just enough for me to go to Japan. Thank you for doubling our sales figures for this month. Thank you for my perfect partner. So after writing these down, the next thing you need to do is to amplify your emotions. Why do we need to do this? The higher the emotions, the bigger the vibrations, and the faster the attraction. Once you've written down your goals and desires, you have to think about it and feel the emotions. You gotta amplify that feeling like you've never before. For example, what emotions did you feel when you received your desire, when your dreams are achieved? Who was the first person you told when you achieved your goal, and how did you tell them? What is the first thing that you did when you achieved your goal? These 3 questions will help you get into the feeling of it, will help you feel like you had it already, feel the gratitude and feel the excitement. So once you feel these emotions, keep amplifying it, amplify the gratitude, and if you can even pull out a tear if you feel the same way, even better. Because let me ask you something. For those who might be new to this law of attraction, manifestation, it might come with a lot of questions for you. But for those of you who are more spiritual out there, let me ask you a question. Whether you believe in a higher being, God, Allah, what do you think is the language of the universe? Is it English? Is it Chinese? Is it Cantonese? Is it Hindi? Well, let me tell you. The language of the universe is emotions. Emotions is energy in motion. The more emotions you have, the faster the energy goes in motion, and that will happen faster for the desires and the goals you want to achieve in your life. So that's it for day 13 of the magical practice. And to recap what you have to do for today. Number 1, count your blessings. That is magic practice day 1. Number 2, today, learn how to script. Take out a pen and a paper or your computer and list down 10 things that you want to achieve most right now in your life. My recommendation is to go along 4 areas, which are relationship, health, wealth, and purpose. Number 3, after you've written the 10 things down, look at them and repeat them in your mind. And as you repeat them, visualize and feel as if you've already achieved the goals. How would you feel? What emotions would you be feeling? Who is the first person you're gonna tell when you achieve your goal? What are you gonna do after you've achieved your goal? How are you gonna celebrate your success? What is that feeling that you have? Amplify that excitement, that feeling of gratitude. And most importantly, feel grateful for having achieved that goal and desire. And remember not to just feel grateful after you've achieved something. And lastly, after you've done this, at night before you sleep, take your magic rock in your hand, think about the one thing that you're most grateful for the day, and then go to sleep. So that's it for today. That's the Magic Day Practice 13. If you're new to this channel, if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. And do comment down below if you've tried out the magic practice and how it's been working for you so far. And I would love to hear your comments, get to know you a little bit more. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.